Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from What Lace collection, and this is in name is Rashana. There we go. The name is Rashana in the beige chocolate color. I want to give it a go. I haven't tried this one out before, so I want to see what we got here. On the back, these are the good things about it. It's a 13 by 6. It's well crafted, soft Swiss lace from ear to ear, and it is undetectable lace. So it's pre-plucked, natural density, and all that good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. Let's take a look of what this wig looks like. Almost popped my eyeball. Anyways, here's the special colors on the back here. This color is so pretty. Look at it. Ooh. Yes, love it. That's the lace here. We got 2 combs in the front, 3 combs in the front, 1, 2, and then 3 in the middle, and then 1 in the very back right here. And let me show you up close what the lace looks like so. All right, y'all, I have some tinted lace here, the spray from Even, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it, and this is in the medium brown. So I'm gonna give it a go. Ooh, we got a lot of beautiful big curls going on. Look at this color. I'm not mad at that at all. So I think I want to do a side part because that's usually how I roll with a side part. And so let's see. Yes, I really like this color. It's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. What y'all think? Cute? What y'all think? I'm not gluing this down because I ain't going nowhere, so I ain't gonna do all that extra stuff. But this wig is so pretty. Just put it to the side. I went ahead and put a little hot comb through it with the wax stick. I will say, What Lace never disappoints. They have the best wigs. I have wigs from them from 2 years ago that I still have that's like in good condition still. And I just like the quality of their wigs. You just gotta try to take care of it. Don't sleep in the wigs. Don't be doing the most in them. So this is how long it is. I think this is so pretty. This wig here is it's popping. I like it. If it start messing up and getting old, I'll probably end up cutting it just to make it short and like a pretty bob. It's got that body and that glamour look I like. But you know, definitely I will keep this one. So if you are interested in this wig, I did get this wig from Amazon. So I'm gonna have this linked in my storefront. I'll go ahead and put the link down below. And let me know what y'all think about this wig. I think it's pretty big and glamorous. I love the big body and big curls, so it's cute. Also, this wig is big head friendly, so I would not worry about it being too tight or too snug. I have a lot of hair, so yeah, so that's pretty good for the, usually with these wigs I don't have an issue, but yeah. Thank you ladies for watching my video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all next time.